All right. At this point in our asynchronous meeting, we have empathized with our target audience and we've brainstormed some possible problems that our target audience faces. So now it's time to pick one problem that our target audience faces and to make that the focus of our lead innovator work. And in order to do that, we're going to craft a problem statement around that one problem. So to support you in crafting a problem statement, we've created this MadLib prompt that kind of helps you fill in the blanks so that you're able to articulate what your target audience needs and why do they need it. So let's move into the MadLib. Down here in this first column, you're going to articulate who your target audience is. So it could be specific, as in the parents of my students or the staff members on my CT, or it could be as broad as you want, just saying my students. So maybe it is my students or my target audience. And over here, I'm going to type with a need, and I'm going to make sure that need correlates exactly with the problem statement that I want to focus my lead innovator work around. So for the purpose of this example, I'm just going to say my students need to make real world connections to the content that they are learning. And then over here, so that is the problem that I think my students have, is that I want to make the content more relatable in the real world to my students. So now I'm going to say, why do I think my students need that in the because column? And this is going to help you inform the purpose behind your problem statement and the purpose of your lead innovator work. So why do my students need to make real world connections? Because it allows them to make their learning relevant. It motivates them, and they are more engaged in class and their learning. So obviously there's a bazillion reasons why I think students should be making real world connections to their content, but over here I just typed a few. So this is what you will be doing with your own problem statement MadLib, articulating your target audience, what your target audience needs, and why you think they need it. Thank you.